In this video, we are going to see how we can deal with the advance rent or prepaid expenses in Teleprime. As you can see here in this transaction on January 4th, advance rent paid for 6 months by giving cash. Now the shop rent is $1,000 per month and we are paying all the expenses in advance. We already know that rent is an expense, but when you are paying in advance for 6 months that you haven't consumed the benefit yet, it is treated as a prepaid expenses, and prepaid expenses nature is current asset. If you want to learn more about the prepaid rent concept, I have attached this document with the resources section of this video, so you can check that out. That says that prepaid rent is a type of asset that represents the rent paid in advance for a future period. Since the payment is made before the benefit of the rented property is received, it is recorded as a current asset on the balance sheet until the expense is incurred. So this means that even for the January, you haven't consumed the benefit. Benefit will be consumed fully when the month end. Only then you have used the shop for 1 month, only that period should be charged. Only on that date, it should be charged as an expense. But before that, this all $6,000 that you have paid for 6 months in advance should be treated as a current asset. Let's see how we can deal with this in Teleprime. So first of all, I'll go to the transactions. Click on the transactions from the main area and we are already in the payment. On the right hand side, you might notice sometimes that the payment is disabled. That's because we are already in that section. And since we all know that in the education version of Teleprime, it only allows date number 1, which is 1st of each month, 2nd of each month, and then it allows 31st. So it's your choice. You cannot enter all the dates in between. So I prefer to keep all the dates as 31st of January in order to complete the assignment. The transaction says advance rent paid for 6 months by giving cash. So we are paying cash. Let's choose cash here in the account, and it's an advance rent. So we need to create a new account, alternate C, and the account name is advance rent, or you can write here prepaid rent. Hit enter, enter, and this one is a current asset, but you need to observe what is the most closely linked account to it. I find it current asset, so let's choose that. Rounding method, I don't want any rounding, not applicable. Hit enter, and you can just directly press Ctrl A to save. And now the amount is $6,000. Put 6,000 here. Hit enter. In the narration, we will just directly copy this and paste it right here and press finally Ctrl A to save. So this is how we can deal with the prepaid expenses in Teleprime. Just try this by yourself and I will see you in the next one.